Hello, it's Ruby again, and in today's video, I will compare 3 of the best Shopify discount apps that help you uplift your average order value in 2026. Let's start with the obvious question. Why not just use Shopify's built-in discounts? Shopify's native tools cover the basics well: a percentage off, a fixed amount, a free shipping code. But the moment you want a spend more, get more cart bar, a bulk discount store-wide, or a shipping discount that applies to a specific product group, you need a third-party app. That's why I will dive into the best 3 discount Shopify apps, including BOGOS free gift bundle upsell app, Discounty bulk discount sales, and Catching bundles app and upsells. The BOGOS app has the widest coverage of the 3, including volume discount, cart discount, product discount, shipping discount on cheapest/most expensive item, and buy X get Y with auto add to cart and gift selection options. Discounty is close behind, except for the discount on the cheapest. And for buy one, get one, the same. Shoppers must add the gift manually. Catching is the narrowest one. It only supports volume discounts and buy one, get one. One more difference is that BOGOS and Discounty let you create multiple tiers based on both cart value and cart quantity, while Catching only supports cart quantity. Next are the discount types. All 3 apps support the same options, including percentage discounts, fixed amount discounts, and fixed prices. For stores with large catalogs, applying discounts one product at a time can take a lot of work. That is why bulk discounts, which let you apply offers across the store-wide, is prioritized when choosing a discount app. Among the 3 apps, only BOGOS and Discounty can do that. Here's a setting that quietly decides how the app counts items toward a tier. The BOGOS app gives you the most control with 3 counting modes: same product and variant, the same product across any variant, or any eligible product from your catalog. Discounty and Catching keep it tighter with 2 options: any eligible product or the same variant of a product. Once you choose an offer type, the next step is deciding which products can trigger it. Discounty offers the widest targeting options. You can apply an offer store-wide or filter by product, variant, collection, type, tag, or vendor. The BOGOS app supports the same options except product tags. Catching is the most limited, with only 2 targeting options. All 3 apps let you schedule offer start and end dates and keep campaigns in sync as your catalog changes. But BOGOS goes further with its recurring time windows. It means that you can set a promotion to repeat on a daily, weekly, or monthly schedule within a defined time window, extremely suitable for flash sale campaigns. For customer targeting, BOGOS offers the most options. You can target by link, order history, customer tags, location, and Shopify markets. Discounty comes close, but it does not support link-based targeting. Catching is the most limited, with targeting based only on Shopify markets and B2B customers. If you sell replenishable products like supplements, coffee, or pet food, whether your discount plays nicely with subscriptions matters a lot. Both BOGOS and Catching allow you to display the subscription options inside your volume discount widget. On the other hand, I cannot find any subscription support in the Discounty app. Quantity breaks can quickly increase average order value, while shipping discounts can help improve conversion rates. But these offers only work when shoppers can see them. That is why a progress bar is such an important companion to both. Among the 3 apps, only BOGOS includes a built-in progress bar for every discount type. Discounty only supports it for shipping discounts, while Catching requires merchants to install a separate app from its ecosystem. Let me explain this first. This feature combines multiple rewards, such as buy 2, get 10% plus free shipping, into one campaign that can be applied through one generated discount code. Merchants can customize and then send that code to VIP customers or use it for exclusive sales events. Only the Discounty app allows you to set up that. All 3 apps include a native analytics dashboard with CSV export for the core metrics like revenue, orders, and average order value. All 3 cover the basics. Besides, the Catching app tracks the full funnel from visits to add to cart to purchase, with clear conversion rate data. It also breaks down performance by offer type, including attributed revenue, AOV, and profit, BOGOS, covers nearly the same metrics but does not include visit data for each offer. Discounty takes a more campaign-focused approach. Its dashboard shows revenue, orders, and AOV side by side, along with store-wide trends over time, daily order level details, and sales broken down by each product variant. The good news is that all 3 apps offer a free plan or free trial, so you can test them before paying. After that, their pricing models are very different. BOGOS charges by order volume. Pricing scales with your monthly order count, and your plan also follows your Shopify plan. As shown now, Kaching charges based on attributed extra revenue only. Once a store exceeds $10,000 in attributed revenue per month, pricing is calculated using its own formula. Discounty is the most strict. It charges by catalog size, campaign volume, and feature access. As the table shows, higher plans unlock more products, more campaigns, and more features. In short, if you need the core discount offer types, the Essential plan is the starting point. Support is another major difference between the 3 apps. BOGOS stands out here. This app allows you to connect with a human agent first, usually within 3 minutes. It is also available for an AI assistant and intuitive tutorials. Kaching also connects you with real support agents, but response times are typically closer to 30 minutes. Discounty starts with an AI agent. That works well for simple how-to questions, but it can take longer to reach a human when the issue is more complex. Here's a quick comparison, with each app rated from 0 to 5 on the features that matter most. So which Shopify discount app should you choose in 2026? Here's the final verdict. BOGOS, free gift bundle. Upsell is a trusted promotion app that covers the core discount features with the deepest targeting rules and stands out for strong customer support. Discounty appears as the most affordable starting point for stores that want to build a complete discount strategy. And finally, Kaching is best for growing stores that only need simple quantity breaks and BOGO offers. The right pick comes down to which discount strategy you are planning, including not only the mechanics, but also the target audience you aim at. If you want to try any of these apps, I've dropped all of their install links in the description. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.